A camping chip, in my opinion, is the necessary supplies during the camping trip up the mountain. 450 gram flashlight and 450 gram cooking board, 200 gram optic knife, 15 gram compass, 6 kilogram tent, 2 kilogram and 700 gram 3-day supply of food, 1 first aid kit, 1 kilogram extra set of clothing, 30 gram matches, 100 gram toothpaste and 50 gram toothbrush. At all, the weights are 11 kilogram and 995 gram. First, I think the flashlight is the necessary for a 3-day camping trip on the mountain because it can help us look at the road at night. Second, I find cooking board necessary to cook food and water. Third, in my mind, pocket knife used to cut fresh food and protect myself. Then I find a compass necessary to find a way if lost. Personally, I think the tent is a place to sleep overnight on a 3-day trip, and I think 2 kilogram and 700 gram food is enough for one person to survive 3 days in the mountain. Then some people say that the first aid kit is very important for a camping trip because you can be injured at any time during the trip, and the extra set of clothing the replace when my clothes are dirty. Then it seemed to me that the match used to light cooking fire and light up at night. Finally, in my mind, toothpaste and toothbrush are used for oral hygiene in the morning and evening. The reason I didn't choose the rain jacket because I can see the weather forecast before I go. I think I didn't choose the insect repellent because I feel it is unnecessary. I didn't choose blade and fork and knife and spoon because I have a pocket knife and I could take the big leaves to make blade. This is a camping trip on the mountain, so forget the swimming suit. I don't like the recording, so I will not need the small book to record. I would say that towels are not necessary. The 5 kilogram pillow, I think it is too heavy and I can reply it with my own bag. Also, what needs sleeping bag when we have a tank? As the camping is on the mountain, it is easy to find water in small streams around it. I don't have a habit of taking pictures, so I don't need a camera. This is a camping trip on the mountain. I think I didn't choose fishing boat.